Welcome to Crazy Gamer Models. I am the Crazy Gamer and I do models. It is Bismarck week. Let's get started. Okay, folks, I'm going to put the links up and then we're going to get started here. We are reviewing or taking a look at the Sprues and Tamiya's 1/350th scale German battleship Bismarck. This is, I'm assuming it's kit number 13. That's what it says, 1/350th number 13. Let's see if we can. Oh, no, here it is right here. Here's the item number over here, right there. You can see that it is 78013. 78013. We want to overhead inside. Sorry about the camera swap there. I'm still getting used to it. So here's we got a box that is roughly 31 inches by 10 inches and about 2.5 inches thick. So we have a nice photo on that side, nice photo on the plane on that side. It is 1/350th scale. It says ready to assemble precision model kit, detailed scale model for hobbyists age 14 and above. This is not a toy. Cement and paint not included, which is normally a thing. I don't normally build a lot of Tamiya kits. I hear they're fantastic, and I'm going to find out with this one. But let's look at what's inside here. Let's take a look here. We got, wow, a nice haul, nicely laid out box. 1/350th. I'm going to get the whole side view. I'm going to put it on the overhead so we can see exactly what's in here. Looks like we have a ship stand, and with the instructions on how to assemble it, we have some staples in the bag. Looks like that. And then we have, it looks like we can put batteries in this. Wow, can you upgrade this to with electronics? It looks like you might be able to do that. But let's take a look at this haul. We might look into doing something like that. Nice details on the hull here. A little bit of a seam line on the bottom. Take that off, no big deal. But the batteries on the bottom, that's interesting. I wonder what we have here. So, and then we have 1, 2 sprues, then another 4, so that's 6, 7, 8 sprues and 3 deck plates. And let us get this out of the way here. So, okay, so we've looked at the hull, so we'll put the hull away. And again, it has that battery compartment in there. We'll examine more into that here momentarily. And we have all these sprues. They're not overly massive sprues, but we'll take a look at them. Let's see what we got here. Tamiya Tech Tips. Just basically how to cut and drill and glue and removing metal plating, using spray paints, painting. Currently unable to paint anything at the moment. And then we have the book here. Let's bring this in a little bit. And we got a nice arm right here. Standard displacement 41,700 tons. Maximum displacement 50,900 tons. Overall length 251 meters. Waterline length 240 meters. Beam 36 meters. Draft 8.7 meters. Maximum speed 30 knots. That's not bad. It came with 6 Aldero AR-196 aircraft. It had 38 centimeter year 1947 twin turrets, 4 of those. 15 centimeter year 1950, no, L55 is different. Twin turrets, 6 of those. 105 millimeter AA guns, 8 twin mounts. 37 millimeter AA guns, 8 twin mounts. 20 millimeter AA quad mounts, 2 of those, and some single mount 20 millimeter AA, 14 of those, and a complement of 2,092, cruising range of 9,280 miles at 16 knots, maximum fuel reserves 7,775 tons, standard fuel reserve 3,287 tons, builder Bloff and Voss, completed in August of 1940. So, and then we have a brief history of the battleship that we will talk about at a different time. And then we have assembly. You're starting with the stand, and then you're putting the propellers and things on, building up the twin mounts for the 38 centimeters. So, pretty standard Tamiya type instructions, very informative. Looks like they show you where everything goes pretty well. Not really built too many Tamiya kits. Looking forward to, I heard the fit on these is excellent, so I'm looking forward to that. It's basically it, 22 steps and then a painting guide, and then you got a sprue tree in the back. So, yeah, proof of purchase and ordering some extra sprues and things like that. So let's check out what's in the bag. So we have some decks here. Let's pull out these staples. I'm not a fan of staples. I don't know why they have to do the staples. Alright, so we have some flags, some Bismarck or Tirpitz flags on some kind of paper that makes it look like a flag, I guess. I'm not sure how that works. And then we have the decks here. Now I do have a Phonos kit for this upgrade, and it looks like this wood decking. This deck would need that upgrade kit because the wood decking on here is not very good. I mean, it's alright, it's just not very detailed. I mean, it's not, the camera's not even picking it up. So, a little bit of anchor chain detail there. So, we'll see how this looks with that Phonos kit on it. So, there's the front, aft, and stern. There is the center. So, get these staples out of here before they scratch up something I have paint on. So, and here is the superstructure section of the deck. Again, it has the wood decking on there, not too detailed, but looks like everything's going to have good location. All that stuff here. Looks like they will mate up pretty good. Just a little bit of cleanup there. So that's that. Then we have these sprues here. Yeah, staples, let me tell you. Alright, let's see what we got here. Yeah, we have a broken piece. But I think that is a sprue gate that's broken. So I would recommend, if you get that, take that off of there immediately, and so that it doesn't get any more damaged. So there's some nice texture on there. Get a shot of the whole sprue. That one too, flip it over. So this is your B and your C sprue. So some detail on there. So I'm going to set that one the side. Does it need some cleanup on it before it gets put away? And now let's see here. We got some turrets. So we have the main twin turrets here and some pieces for the rear. So it's your E-sprue. A shot of both of those. Some detail on these parts here. So this is your D and your E-sprue. And then we have our last bag, which has 4 sprues in it. This is probably going to have a lot of our AA stuff. Anti-aircraft armament. Not a big kit. It's not a lot of pieces, not like I'm used to with my TACOM kits and full interiors. We have another turret and some smaller armament turrets there and barrels. The barrels all look straight. And that looks good. A little bit of flash on some of these pieces. Look at that one. There's our aircraft there. Doesn't look too bad. I don't like it not having a clear canopy. We have some boats. They're going to go on the deck. The anchors. There's anchor there. We have 2 of these sprues. So we have 2 craft. A bunch of boats. Propellers. It's going to be nice, the Phonos upgrade kit for this. And then the last of the double turrets and the barrels and things like that. So, that is that. So, that is the Battleship Bismarck by Tamiya. That's their 1/350th scale. And that is it. There's not a huge amount in there. I will have some other upgrade kits for this later down the road. This week, this is Bismarck week, so you're going to see all the stuff I have for this book. There's a reference book that I'm going to do a small review on, and then there is a upgrade kit, the Phonos upgrade kit. That'll probably be the longest review because it's pretty in-depth with pieces. And then I also have an aircraft upgrade kit, because on these aircraft here, you don't get clear canopies. I don't like that. I like a clear canopy. So it just looks weird if it's not a clear canopy. So again, I'm going to put up the links. Visit any of these. There's a giveaway going on right now. There will always be a giveaway going on. You can go to my Patreon page and vote on said giveaway. You don't have to join the Patreon page. All you have to do is just visit it, and you can vote in the giveaway and things like that, and enter to win the giveaway. So that's going to do it for this video. For Crazy Gamer Models, I am the Crazy Gamer. You guys have a fantastic day.